Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on MissStarTv, and this time I'm going to show you a simple red holiday makeup look. If you'd like to see how I achieve it, then please keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to take some Scotch tape, putting it at the bottom of my lash lines, leading to my temples like this. Okay, using this small fluffy brush and the brown shade in this Wetnwild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in Go Commando, I'm going to blend it into my creases and toward my brows, like this. Okay, now with another fluffy brush, I'm going to take this red here, fluffing it from the edge of my lids to the center of my lids, like this. Now I'm going to use this gold Wetnwild multi-stick in Keep Diggin'. I'm going to use it around the inner corners of my eyes, working my way toward the middle. Then I'm going to use the gold in the Wetnwild palette on my fingers to dab on top of it, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use a marker eyeliner for the tops of my eyes, and then a pencil gold liner for the waterlines of both eyes, like this. Okay, now I'm going to put on Wet n Wild's Mega Wear mascara on both my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to use a makeup wipe to clean up under my eyes. And then I'm going to use L.A. Colors Conceal It Concealer and Fair around my brows and all the other places I want to conceal, like this. Okay, now I'm going to put on my Truly Matte Foundation from L.A. Colors, as I normally would, as well as my pressed powder from L.A. Colors in Nude, and my highlighting and contouring from L.A. Colors in medium to light. Okay, now I'm going to use a blush brush and the blush from the LA Colors 12 Days of Beauty All Is Bright Makeup Kit. Then I'm going to use the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in Fiery Red, and then the LA Colors Lip Duo in Eternal Flame on my lips, like this. Okay, now I'm going to put on my jewelry and my headpiece, like this. Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you like what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. And don't forget, you can become a huge part of our StarTv family by supporting us on Patreon. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye!